From enhancing the flavor in both sweet and savory dishes to tangy soups and sweet chutneys, even used in beverages, today's ingredient is tamarind. Hello and welcome to another edition of Majeed's Kitchen. Tamarind comes in block form, and I've kept a piece of what I've used as a sample to show you. I have used tamarind from Sri Lanka and from Thailand, which in both forms were a block just like this. It is pulp with seeds and quite fibrous when you pull it apart. And the way to get or extract the pulp or the juice so that it looks like this is to soak it in warm or hot water for 10 or 15 minutes and break it down using your fingers, and then push it through a strainer and discard the fibrous parts and the seeds. And it's used in many dishes. I particularly have used it a lot in, of course, Thai cuisine. Also used in a lot of Thai curries and Indian curries. As I mentioned, in beverages. It is also used in Mexican and Vietnamese cuisine in broths. Today's recipe, we make a tamarind chutney. Let's start with the ingredients. 250 ml of the pulp, tamarind pulp, 1 finely chopped onion, 200 grams of white sugar, 1 cup of white wine vinegar, and over here I have a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 or 4 curry leaves, and about 2 dried chilies crushed. And in this dish, 2 garlic cloves chopped and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly chopped ginger. Let's move over to the stove and get this chutney going. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or ghee into a saucepan. Make sure to heat up the pan. Have your heat on medium-high before you add the oil in. Let's add in the onions. You just want the onions to be translucent. You don't need to put any color on them. And we'll follow that with the garlic and ginger. Add in the mustard seed. Give it a quick stir and they'll start to pop in the pan. Let's add in the curry leaves and the chili. Make sure to keep stirring. You don't want anything to burn. Okay. So there's still no color on there. Give it a nice saute. And now we're going to add in the liquid. And now we're going to add in the liquids. Add the white wine vinegar to the tamarind puree and give it a stir. let's add this to the pan. And now, the final stage, we'll add in the sugar. Let's go in with the sugar. And we're going to simmer it. We'll let this go at medium for about 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll be right back to check on it. After 15 minutes, the sauce begins to thicken, as you can see, and we'll turn off the heat and put it aside and let it slightly cool. As you can see, the sugar quantity helps to thicken the syrup. So let's speak about the finished product, our sweet tamarind chutney. So basically, this was in block form. This is just a piece that I had left over to show you. We made the actual tamarind paste by soaking in hot water for a few minutes and gently rubbing it and straining it. We also see that there is a store-bought variety. It's ready to go, and it's a pretty good product. I mean, most of these products are from Thailand, where tamarind is in abundance, and that's an easy way to do it. But if you notice that the tamarind paste that was made from the block was much darker than that. And just to let you know, I'm not sponsored by this brand. It's just something that I bought, and this is a convenience item. So once the sauce was done, just strain it. So your chutney needs to be nice and smooth, as you can see here. A very, very beautiful consistency, nice and thick so it will hold. Like if you put it on samosas, it's not going to drip off, and the aroma is just fantastic. So once you're done and it's cool, you put it into a mason jar, and that will stay for at least 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge without any problem. So make just enough or to last you for that duration, and you can always make a fresh lot if you need it. So thanks for watching. What a beautiful color and a lovely consistency. I can't wait to put it on the samosas. Let's give it a try. Wow, spicy, sweet, a hit of chili, that's gonna go great.